Okay, we got another 2 boxes of PCBs here. So I guess we're just going to dive right into it here. Where to start? I don't know. Um, I guess we can just see what some of these are. Um, yeah, let's get you situated and we'll pull a few of these out. Okay, so out of the first one, I pull this one out. So let's see what this is. Well, it's a Sega board, that's for sure. There's no labeling on the stuff it was wrapped in. Oh, what's that? What the hell is that? Boxer? Boxed? Bloxed? Not sure what that says. Bloxed? Yeah, bloxed. I'm not sure what this is. All right, let's start right here. Let's start with this one. Yeah, let's start right here. Alrighty. I can already tell right off the bat that this edge connector is disgusting. Oh yeah, that's horrible. Okay, let's start right here. Not a clue. I've never heard of blocks. I don't know what that is, but we'll see. I don't know if that's somebody's diagnostic sticker or... Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, that was part of the real sticker, though, because there's... Yeah, that's real. That's weird. Oh, I can see right off the bat. I can see right off the bat. There's a ton of corrosion. Can you see how lovely those colors are? No, that's RAM, if I'm not mistaken, which I do have a lot of, so if that needs to be changed out, that's not a problem. That super cap's kind of fucked up too. This might need a really, really good clean. Now we can probably figure out what it is by this number here, but let's let it be a surprise. Is there anything wrong with this Yamaha here? We're gonna give a real good look on this board just to see what's going on here. I don't see anything there. There's that RAM. I wonder if we got some corrosion going on in the socket here. No big surprise there. No big surprise there. We can probably find out exactly what with this number too. I probably have a couple of these customs. There's a problem there. I don't see anything wrong there. I don't see anything wrong there. The first thing I'm going to do, though, is clean this edge connector. I mean, all in all, everything looks okay except for this RAM here. This side doesn't look too bad, but the other side for sure. Yeah, okay, let's take a look at this edge connector here. I mean, it doesn't look bad in camera, but it definitely is. Oh yeah, that's you can see where the pitting and corrosion is here. Definitely. And it's all across it. So let me start with that first, and then we'll fire it up and see what happens. What's the other side look like? Let's do that real quick. Let's take a look at this side. Oh yeah, you can see where the water was sitting. Yeah, we got some shit in here. Maybe some exposed traces in here as well. Maybe some broken traces. Okay, no big deal. Nothing we can't handle. What's going on up in here? I doubt that's rework, because it doesn't look like... Yeah, that's probably this right here. That's probably the dip switches. Sorry. Yeah, those don't look like they've been touched. That looks like factory to me. Okay, let's get you up in here. Let's get that light off. Let's get you backed up here. Let me just start with a light clean, maybe. Let's see here. Start with a little bit of that. Start with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, whatever the hell I did with that. Where is that? I just moved it to. Give me 2 seconds. right in front of me. Let's get this light on. Let's see what we got going on here. I may need to run over that with just some light sandpaper, and when I mean light, I mean like 4,000 grit. I just want to get a lot of the dirt off here. This board could use a bath too, which we will do. Yeah, see, it's not, I mean, it's dirty, but it's not real dirty, so I can tell that is, yeah, that's just heavy pitting. That's all right. We can get rid of that. This side doesn't look too bad, but it is definitely pitted. Definitely pitted. Okay, so we got rid of that as much as we could. Let's get that flipped. Let's get it hooked up to JAMA and let's see what happens. Okay, we got it hooked up to JAMA. Let's, whoops. We might need some video there. Let's see what happens. It's on. Oh. Nothing. Yeah, that's not good, is it? Yeah, that's definitely not good. Let me take a voltage reading real quick. Let's take one from right here. Nothing? Well, how can that be? That can't be. We're getting 5.1. It's a little high, but nothing too crazy. Do we have a reset on this board? Do we have LED? Yeah, we do. We got the LED. Oh, what was that? Huh. Yeah, we've got nothing going on here. Really? Oh, that's not good, is it? First one right out of the box. Okay, give me 2 seconds here. Yeah, we didn't have anything. No matter what I did, I couldn't get anything. It's not like it was playing blind. I was trying to put quarters, turn the volume up, nothing. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take care of that up here. This issue right here, and where's that spot we saw? Well, where is it now? Where? Oh, right here. Sorry. We're gonna take care of this issue too. I mean, I wonder if there's a weird broken trace here in between where this RAM is. I mean, that is where it is. It's right here. So let me clean this up. The first thing I'm going to do is probably hit it with some IPA. Clean all that up. Clean up some of these. Clean up some of the surrounding area. Maybe I'll take this chip out and see if that corrosion there will be an issue. I mean, the more I look at this, the dirtier I see it is. But yeah, let me start right here, and then I'll go to the other side and see if I can't clean up that area and see what's going on there. Okay, I cleaned up the other side there, and I cleaned up some of the points here. And I do see that we may have a break, which you probably can't see. But it looks like we may have a break right. Where are we here? Looks like we may have a break here. We did have a break right. Sorry. Where was I here? Right here. We did have a small break right there, but I just wanted to clean that up a little bit and clean up some of this corrosion and stuff that we had going on here, and I got rid of a lot of it. So let me get you set up here. Back you way out there. I probably made you sick as a dog. Let's get this plugged in here. I just want to see if we got any difference at all. But I do know we have a break there, so that could just be bad graphics. It could be anything, but let's get it let's fire it up. See if there's any difference. Oh, that's definitely a difference. We got something on the screen now. We got nothing out of the audio still. Let me just make sure that's turned up. Yeah, that's got some volume on it. Nothing, eh? Let me just restart this thing here. Sometimes it gets a little goofy. I find when you send weird sync signals, yeah, exactly. Okay, hang on here. Still nothing, huh? Still nothing. Let's see here. Hang on. Let me change the display to. Yeah, that should. No, that should do it. Let's see if we just change this. Yeah, nothing, huh? Still nothing. I did check some of the data lines and we didn't have anything, so I'll check these now. Ooh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, yes, we do. These did not. These were not active. That is active now. I know you can't see what I'm... Yeah, these were by the RAM, and I wasn't getting anything out of them. We are now. What about on the CPU? What do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. High. Oh, yeah. Yep, she's in a reset. Yeah. Give me some data. Yes. Okay. Okay, that's a start. We got some activity here. Yeah, okay, we got some activity there. That works for me. So that's a good start. Let me go ahead and go back through the other side there and see if we got something goofy happening there. Still, oh, I know we do. We got that break still, but okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let me just do a quick reset here. I don't like that being in that. Oh, that did stay there. Yeah. I think I'm in desperate need of a new one of these, that's for sure. Okay, let me go through this again. I'm going to go through the other side here and keep going at this area here. Like I said, I do see a few breaks and stuff, so give me a second. Okay, I cleaned up a lot more of it. I got a feeling I should be doing this edge connector too, because it is definitely reminiscent of the RoboCop edge connector. It's that bad. We're gonna get anything. Oh, we got signal. Hey, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, that's a great sign. I didn't see that coming. Oh, this is like a Tetris clone. Well, I didn't know that. Do we got sound? I don't have any credits. What the hell's going on here? Oh. We don't have very good, yeah, okay. See, we don't have, what do you call it? Yeah, we got something weird going on here because... Well, maybe not. Maybe that's just the way the button layout is. But, okay, we still don't have any sound, though. Okay, but we... Okay, we do got picture, though. That works for me. Yeah, I got that cranked. I don't hear shit out of that. Like nothing. And why? Hang on here. How do I go up and down? Yeah, I don't really have any control here of... Why is that down? That is completely ass backwards here. And I did fix the control panel, so it ain't that. Oh yeah, we got something weird happening here. Yeah, can we clear the backup RAM here for a second? I think we got some weirdness happening here. And I bet you it has to do with that edge connector, because this is... Okay, that seems to be okay. But why is 2 start down? And so is 1. And no control anywhere else. Nothing else. Yeah, that's not good. Hang on here. Yeah, I got nothing. Nothing. That and no sound. Okay, so let's stop it here. And let's see if we can't figure out exactly what the hell's going on here with this edge connector. I bet you there's bad grounds and stuff happening because of this edge connector, because it's so beat up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Like, you can really see just how bad that edge connector is. Like, it's trashed. Like, look at this. This is ground over here, and it's... I bet you there's all kinds of shit happening here. And it sucks even more. So that stuff's going in my JAMA harness. So let me take care of this. I'm just gonna hit it with, like I said, some 4000 grit, and I may, just for the hell of it, I might as well just go ahead and maybe re-tin both sides. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. We'll see if that makes a change here. Alrighty, so I redid the edge connector here. Let's see if we get any change here. Let's get it hooked up to the JAMA. Oh, this is one of those weird ones that it could be misaligned a little bit, I see. Depending if you're not paying attention. But anyways, that should be it. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I think I heard the sound system kick on. I don't know if you heard that or not. Let's get into test mode. Let's see, is this any better? Oh, what am I doing here? Where are my buttons here? Yeah, I might be doing something a little weird here. What about the other side? Sorry, hang on. No, eh? I might have to look into seeing what the actual button layout is for this, because whatever it is, we ain't getting shit out of it. Yeah, that's working no problem at. That's not even the right button. Yeah, that's odd. That is odd. Okay, how about we get the fuck out of here? Ooh, what was that weirdness about? Not a quarter? Nothing. the sound turned up? Oh, there we go. Whoop. Hey, what do you know? We have sound. Hello. Yeah, I don't think this is made for this kind of, yeah, I don't think this is made for this control panel. There's probably some weird stuff going on that I just don't understand. Yeah, that's what it is, I bet. I can almost guarantee that's what it is. Well, I'm going to call that a win. I am definitely going to call this a win. And we got sound now? Absolutely. Excellent. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm actually going to leave that right where it is. I say that's a win. Yep, I knew it was that edge connector. Oh, yeah, even the pot is good. I don't even hear it getting all weird. Okay, I'm going to say that is definitely a win. Okay, very cool. So the only thing this needs now is this board needs to be cleaned up, though. That's all. Just what do you call it? Just a good once over with a brush and stuff, and get it all nice and cleaned up. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna call that a win. Let's move on to another one. So thanks for watching, guys. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.